Hello friend, today I'm going to show you something very special. What is this? Let's open the box. There is a user menu, basic operations, power on, binding, specifications, channel range, power, gigahertz frequencies, size, battery power, weight. There is some precaution given here. It's quite a long list. Now let's go further. Here we go. This is Flysky Fsi6. This model comes with two different receivers, which is Fsi6A and Fsi6B, which is Fsi6B is given inside the box. This is Fsia6B. This is the binding key, power button. This is the power button, cancel, OK, up, down. This is the binding key, and here is throttle, some extra switches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, VRA, VRB, and this is the antenna. So look, although it can store multiple model of profile that make it more convenient for the user with multiple RC devices. Let's talk about the range. The effective range of Fsi6 can vary, but generally around 300 meter to 1 kilometer, depending on the environmental factor. And it can depend also how you setting the receiver, how you set the receiver, which is this one. This is the slot. We require 4 AA type battery, 1.5 volt. Let's put inside the slot. Keep one thing in mind: when you power on, the throttle should be in their down position and all the switches in their up positions, like this. And if any of their switches are not in their correct positions, the LCD screen will display you the warning alarm. I'll show you how. This. So now it's okay. And good thing about this brand is very affordable and budget friendly, so the beginners can buy easily. For the binding process, generally this transmitter comes with pre-bound to the receiver by the company, so you don't need to be manually bind them before use. Very ergonomic design with a comfortable grip and for long lasting use. Let's talk about the price. This device cost me around 5,500 Indian rupees, which is quite a good price. We all know the Flysky is a very affordable and budget friendly brand.